Hey guys, and welcome to Meal of the Month, done by yours truly, Josie Nectar. And for this month of March, we are going to be making a dish inspired by the Disney film Ratatouille. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because every time I see that movie, I think the Ratatouille looks and probably tastes so good, and because I'm a Disney geek, y'all. So I put my own spin on the recipe, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If not, the link below, I have the actual recipe so you can make it. And if you like it, then give it a try, a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Now that we got the beginnings out the way, let's get started. Alright guys, so you're going to need a couple of things for this recipe. Let's first start with the ingredients. You're going to need a 6-ounce can of tomato sauce, a 1/4 cup of fresh garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, 1 eggplant, 2 zucchinis, 1 yellow squash, 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of onions. You can use any type of onions and frozen or dice them yourself, but they must be some type of diced or sliced or whatever. Thyme, and if you don't have thyme, you can use a basil. And the materials that you're going to need is a tablespoon, a regular spoon, parchment paper, and a glass pan. If you have all that stuff, guys, let's go. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Alright y'all, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut up your garlic, eggplant, your yellow squash, and your zucchini. Cut up the last 3 in slices, and your garlic in dices. You really want to get it a bit fine, not too fine, depends on how you like everything. Alright guys. Next, after that, you're going to move to your peppers. You have to cut off the top part, which has the stem, and then you're going to cut the inside out with the seeds, that big white thing. Cut that out. We don't need that part. You're just going to take that completely out. Then you're going to cut the pepper in half, because we actually don't want the slices to be as big, a big circle. Okay, so once you cut that in half, you're going to put then this slices just like you did with the eggplant, the yellow squash, and the zucchini, guys, and just cut that on up. Once you have everything all cut up and put into bowls all neatly like that, next thing we're going to do is move over to our black pepper, salt, olive oil, and our tomato sauce. And make sure you grab that tablespoon. Alright, you're going to open your tomato sauce and you're going to put that at the bottom of your pan, or like that. Oh yes. Once you put that at the bottom of your pan, you're going to take your onions and you're going to sprinkle them on your pan. As you can see, I have my homemade diced red onions that I cut prior, probably a month ago. Put them in the deep freezer, took them bad boys out, and I can use them for my ratatouille. You're going to mix that with the spoon that you probably have close by. I'm hoping so. And then you're going to add your garlic. You're going to spread that all at the bottom. Alright. And then you're going to use that spoon and you're going to mix it again. Keep that spoon very handy because we're going to use it about 1 more time. Next, you want to take your olive oil and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the tomato sauce mix. Then once you do that, let me guess. You guys know what I'm about to say. You're going to take that spoon and you're going to mix it again. But this time, after mixing it with the spoon, you're going to start to lay it flat. So it creates kind of a layer or carpet at the bottom of your pan. And once you get that as great as it's going to get, you're going to take some salt and pepper and you're going to sprinkle that at the bottom. Go easy on the salt, guys. We're trying to, you know, be a little healthy here. And then you're going to start to layer and put a format to your ratatouille. Now, how I do it is I put the eggplant, then the yellow squash, then the zucchini, and then I put the yellow and red pepper. I think it shows the vibrant colors. I think it really makes the colors stand out, and I think that's the way that some people did it in the videos that I watched. So I just think that it was pretty, and so I should just keep it this way. Keep repeating this until it is practically full, like so. And when you have that little space left over, don't worry about it. I'm running out of vegetables. At that point, just throw all the vegetables you have in there. It can be 5 squashes, 3 zucchinis, It doesn't matter. And then if you have no room and you're finished layering, just throw the vegetables anywhere on there. They're all going to get cooked. It's all going to be perfect. All right, guys. Once you're done, it's going to look like so. All right, then you want to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and drizzle it all on top. Now you actually want to make sure it goes around because we're not going to be able to mix this with the spoon. Once you get done with that, you're going to sprinkle some salt, some pepper, and your thyme or basil on top for the taste. Once that is completed, you guys want to get your parchment paper and you want to place that on top of the ratatouille. Now for me, I like for the parchment paper to almost kind of fit inside of the pan that I have. So for me, I'm going to cut the sides. That's only because I'm a little bit of perfectionist. I'm not sure that's exactly how it's supposed to go, but I like it this way. And you see, to me, it fits a little more perfect. And you're going to put that into the oven for about 45 minutes. All right? Let's see. Go, 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 go. When it comes out, it should look something like this. Voila. Now for me, I like mine a bit darker, so I will put it back in the oven without the parchment paper on top for about 5 more minutes. Take it out and it will be steaming and bubbling like this. And this is, I love it like this. And there you go, guys. That is how you make this ratatouille. And you can serve it with the, mashed potatoes. You can serve it with steak. You can serve it with almost anything. We have rice with it, or you can just have it by itself. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and that you actually try to make it, because I'm a picky eater and it turned out great for me. Until then, guys, peace out.